welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this look, summer sunset look, by only using one brand makeup, which is the Face Shop. It's suitable for party look, girls night out, etc. And I really hope you guys like it. And remember to stay tuned until the end of the video because I have a giveaway for you guys. If you want to know how I create this look, keep watching. Starting off by using the Liquid Veil Corrector Concealer to conceal my dark eye circle. I'm using the lighter shade as it's always worked perfectly for me to cover my dark eye circle. And what I really love about this concealer is it has a really good coverage and good texture, which is not too dry or liquidy. Plus, concealer is not too yellow tone, which is perfect for me that always go for dewy skin look. Next up is the anti-darkening cushion for my base to brighten up my skin tone, cover up my pores and blemishes. For my eyebrow, I'm using the Designing Eyebrow Pencil in shade 4. This is one of my favorite products as it is super easy to glide on and the blending brush is so smooth and soft to blend out my jawline. To create the look, I'll be using only 3 colors of the Monocube eyeshadow. For the base, I've chosen an orange tone eyeshadow as the color fits perfectly well for Asian like us, as it won't have the puffy eye look but the color would pop and stand out on our eyelid. For the outer corner of the eyelid, I'll be using the wine red base eyeshadow to enhance the summer sunset look. Remember that blending always is the key, so do not rush or panic if you're trying for the first time. I really love how pigmented the eyeshadow color are, and they have like 60 varieties of color for you to choose. And I'll be using a flat tip brush with the same color to line my lower liner to give it a pop look. If you love a little touch of shimmer of your eyeshadow like me, you can add a little at your middle eyelid to complete the eye look. I'll be using this 2-in-1 eyeliner in black color that comes with kohl liner and felt tip liner. I really love the felt tip liner because it is easy to use for beginner as the tip is a little stiff and steady that could prevent eyeliner misshot. Is another 2-in-1 curling mascara that come with Power Big Brush and Super Slim Brush. I'll be using the Power Big Brush for my upper lashes and Super Slim Brush for bottom lashes. It feels super lightweight after applying it, no doubt that it could hold my lashes extra hours for the day. I really love the packaging of this Marble Beam series, and the name of the blusher and the highlighter in this series is amazing. I'm using the Love Coral Light for my blusher. For my highlighter, I'm using Love Aura Light to highlight my cheekbone, nose tip and my nose bridge. Final step to complete my look. For the lips, I'm using Flat Velvet lipstick and I'm seriously loving it so much as I do have like super sensitive cracked lips and it really keeps my lips moisture and the color payoff is amazing. To be honest, that I never used before the Face Shop product. Today their product really amazed me because a lot of their products like really convenient and super considerate. It's really convenient for me if I just want to drop it in my bag whenever I go out or bring it to travel, which is really thoughtful and convenient. And I'm really loving this look so much, which is considered my current favorite makeup for this month. And thank you so much for staying till the end of the video, and I have a giveaway for you guys. I'm partnering with the Face Shop and they are giving away 150 worth of products. So all you have to do is you have to be my subscribers for my YouTube channel and the followers of my Instagram, and you need to like the Face Shop official Facebook page and their Instagram. After that, you just need to comment done at the comment section down below. You can comment in my Instagram post or at the comment section down below. If you comment more than one platform of mine, you'll have higher chances to winning this giveaway. So good luck guys! And I really hope you guys love this tutorial as much as I do, because I'm really loving it so much. And if you like this video, remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and join the fair. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!